Alright, hey, it's Jose, and I'm going to demonstrate my solution for the list persist activity. So, I'm just going to start off the emulator, and I'm going to have the shell here for whenever I'm going to display doing a query, a select all query for the database here. So, just going to let this go ahead and initiate. You can skip past this if it seems like it's taking too long, but I think we're already at the point where I'm about to demonstrate. Yeah. Alright, so here's the beginning of my list persist. It says last visit is a new run of an emulator. So I was under the assumption that like when you do a new run, you are technically just like starting out the emulator for the first time, and the shared preferences can only refer back to like it can only refer back to like the same run. So this being like a new run, there isn't anything saved onto the shared preferences. So this is the default value that I have for last visits, and the number of visits is defaulted to 1. Yeah, so that's how it is. And here's me adding some words onto the word list. In the instance of me like just doing this to get out the list persist, I'm going to do this and demonstrate that I'm able to save onto the SQLite database. Okay. Last visit was a couple seconds ago. The words are still there. The visit counter has been updated to 1. And I'm going to demonstrate using the floating action button now. I killed it. Now the last visit was a couple seconds ago. At today, 12:33, visits have been upgraded to 3. You can still see that the same word list is still there. We're going to add a few more words. We're going to kill it again just to demonstrate that the word list stays the same with the new words that were added. And it does. Going into a new word, you can pull up the info. Going back, the last visit has been updated since like literally a second ago. The visit counter has been updated to 1 as it should. And all the words are still there. So just to demonstrate one more time, I ended up selecting off some words, so there's only one word left. I want to, I guess, put the app on pause. Then going back to it, you can see the visit counter has been updated to 1. The word list is still there, and my last visit was the last time I ended up just putting this app on pause. So all that works. We're going to test the ADB now. So ADB root, ADB shell. We're going to end up taking this. And we're going to take the package name. My MacBook is screaming right now. It's always a good sign. And the word list, I'm just wanting to copy and paste it right now. I know what it is, but I just feel better knowing that I can just do this. Yep. Alright, so now we're gonna select all from word list, and it should only give us this one word here, paragenetically, and it does. So let's see if I do this, if it gives me all these 3 added words. Word list. And it does. And yep, you can see that my querying works. The database seems to exist for there to be like a persistent sort of data being tracked and all. probably would need to like do on pause for it to actually be stored. Yeah. So on pause probably, yeah, because I ended up doing the insertion of the new data in on pause, so that's why like it couldn't get updated while just adding it there. But yeah, I can see where different slides in between just doing what I did now. But yeah, that's me working with the ADB shell for the querying. So that's about it. Yeah, thank you for watching and have a good rest of your day.